Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Oh, this is going to be a short one. Last night I prepared stir-fried eggs with cabbage. That was just the beginning. I took out the shallots, added onion, added tomato. Let's see, what else did I add? Rice, I added cooked rice. The cabbage, I basically shredded. I put it on the V-blade on the mandolin. Boy, what else in there? Oh, garlic. I did do the oyster sauce. I did do the fish sauce and the soy sauce. And fresh basil. Just using up some stuff that was in the fridge, in the cold box. It was really good. Oh, add some sesame oil. A little bit. Just a little bit of sesame oil. All right, there was a menu change at about 5 a.m. this morning. The reason is I'm trying to finish up some big projects. That's why I asked the moderators to kind of step in a little bit and take care of some stuff for me so I can take care of these big projects. I'm hoping to wrap up at least one of them today. So, yeah. So the menu change, I went from chicken a la queen / king. Catch this. I'm technically not cooking today. No, Robin's not taking me to dinner, or she's not cooking. I'm doing something I haven't done in months. Literally months. Red Baron pizza. Today is shopping day. My grocery shopping day got moved from Friday to today because the way payments fall. So, yeah, chicken a la queen / king will come another day, but it's Red Baron pizza, which I consider one of the best frozen pizzas on the market, bar none. I just haven't decided which combination, flavor, whatever. But I'll figure that out when I'm in the freezer section, which I don't go to very often at Winco. And I'm going to check out the produce situation because I got a message, over the weekend that some stuff has been moved. The cold stuff has been moved, so I'm going to check it out this morning. I don't have a real big produce bill this week. Bill, you know what I mean. Produce list. Yeah, so, 1 second. And I'm back. I'm a little out of sync because I usually do, mise en place. I have a favor to ask everybody in the Casual Chef group or the other platforms that I'm on. Share with me and the group the people that you love and cook for. I have shared plenty of pictures of Roman, my grandson, my daughter Serena in the group. Who do you cook for? Obviously, I don't cook for my daughter or my grandson because they're in Reno, 2 hours away. But who do you cook for? Let us see who you cook for. Fill this post and with pictures of your loved ones. All right. On this Monday, the second day after the time change, my cat still woke me up at 3. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.